my 9th week of options trading on Webull mobile platform. How to paper trade options on Webull? On the lower right corner, first click on the menu icon. Next, under the Shortcuts tab in the center, scroll your icons to the left until you reach Paper Trading. Then Option Trades. Webull will give you a list of popular traded companies or stocks to do some option trades, or type in the search bar. I typed AAPL for Apple. I set my limit price at 1.5 for 2 contracts. Lastly, I hit Paper Trade. I also added a put on SPY at the strike price of $403. My limit price was for 1.15 or $115 for 1 contract. Webull allows for paper trading of options. This is good practice if you don't want to use real money. That's how you paper trades of option on Webull. How to cancel your paper trades on Webull? On the lower right corner, first click on the menu icon. Next, under the Shortcuts column in the center, scroll your icons to the left until you reach Paper Trade. Select the Open Orders tab like so. Click on or select the option contract that you want to cancel. Here, I choose AAPL or Apple, then lastly on the bottom left corner, I hit Cancel Order. Yes to confirm, and Webull will send you a cancellation notice. Again, select your option contract that you want to cancel. Here, I choose SPY, then finally on the bottom left corner, I hit Cancel Order. Yes to confirm, and Webull will send you a cancellation notice. That's how you cancel your paper trades on Webull. I can't buy VIX option on the Moo Moo app. I knew the SPY was going down, so I wanted to place a call on VIX. I deposited $100 a while back, so I had enough to buy a call option on VIX. Unfortunately, Moo Moo has no buy or trade button on VIX. What is worse is that there's no message that pops up that I need a certain level for option trading like in Webull. Right now, I still believe Webull is the best app for trades. I love to support Moo Moo because there's no payment for order flow, but I'm about making money. Until they resolve this issue, I'll stick to Webull. I just love how Webull is designed, and they have a better interface, in my humble opinion. I like Webull chart and indicators and how it pops out with their dark theme. I'm staying to Webull. I paper traded a put on SPY. I bought 2 put contracts and set a limit price at 1.10, that's $110 each or $220 total. Later, I added 2 more contracts of SPY at my set limit of 0.95 or $95. Webull gave me 4 option contracts at the average price of $101. My new total cost is $404. I let SPY dip beneath my strike price of $398, where I set up my limit price of 1.26. I would make $25 each or $100 total from this deal with SPY. I wanted to set up my take profit stop loss, but Webull doesn't have that functionality on paper trades. Later, Webull sold my 4 contracts of SPY at my limit price of 1.26. I made $100 in paper trading of options for today. Great thing! It's just practice money. I paper traded puts on Apple and SPY. I was watching a lot of companies go down today, and even though there was a late push on Apple, I bought 5 put contracts on Apple at the strike price of $155. I set the limit price to be $100, but my average price came out to be $88. I also bought 4 put contracts of SPY at the strike price of $392. I set the limit price of $250. I quickly got 4 contracts and my average price was $245. Later, I bought 2 more contracts of Apple to lower my average price. And I tried to buy 2 more contracts of SPY for $140 each. Apple and SPY kept going up even in after hours. This is a real bad sign for my option contracts, but thank you that it is only paper trading. No real money is lost here. I sold off on Apple and SPY one day. It looks like the trend of Apple and SPY were continuing upwards. It was early in the trading day and I didn't want to hold on to these losing contracts any longer. I sold my 7 contracts of Apple for $5 each, losing $528 or 95.47% from this deal. I later sold off my 6 contracts of SPY for $16 each, again losing $1,164 or 92.38%. These were big losses. Luckily it was only paper trading and good practice. The rewards are great when you guess right and be patient. If I had waited towards later in the trading day, both Apple and SPY went downward. I could have recouped more of my losses in paper trading. In this case, it pays to be patient. How to get more dry powder with a bank transfer? This Monday, September 5th is Labor Day, so the stock market will be closed. Anyhow, I did a deposit of $200 or a bank transfer. First select the Webull icon down below. Next to transfer from your bank, select the Transfers tabs from up above. Enter deposit and the amount you want to transfer, in my case it was $200. You can scroll down and see under recent activities that I made a deposit of $200, but it is in transit. Later, I wanted to buy put contracts of Apple at the strike price of $157.50, but Webull gave a reminder. Oh well, I got to wait next week before I can trade options again. My cash balance with tips and strategies. I have $207.74 in my cash balance. Even though I have this amount, I need to let the cash settle because I did a bank transfer yesterday of $200. It's still in transit. A quick look at the general market, and it looks like some companies turned green in the aftermarket. A glance of SPY confirmed this as it closed at $392.85, up 61 cents. This week I paper traded options on Apple and SPY. Tip number 1. Paper trading is fun and insightful. You don't lose real money. I've been losing a lot of real money on these 2 options. Tip number 2. Join a new community on Discord that shares your strategy. I joined the 1348 crossover on Discord to take my trading to the next level. They share a lot of companies aside from Apple and SPY. Be smart, trade with the chart, this will grow a big heart, that'll allows you giving to the world to start.